In this lesson, we'll tour the WhatsApp web chat module, the place where every WhatsApp conversation lives right inside your CRM, and everything you can do with it, one screen at a time. First, where new messages show up. Whenever a customer writes to you on WhatsApp, a green icon in the top bar collects the latest conversations. You click it to see who wrote and a short preview of each message, without leaving the page you're on. For the full picture, open the Chat workspace. This is your WhatsApp inbox inside the CRM. On the side, every conversation your business is having, newest first. The search box at the top finds any chat by name, number, or message text. Click any conversation to open it. Inside, it's the same WhatsApp chat you already know. Their messages on one side, your replies on the other. The difference is where it lives. It's in your CRM, so anyone on your team with permission opens the same thread, instead of it being stuck on one person's phone. Now the part that ties WhatsApp to your CRM. Under each conversation, a badge shows the customer's record, a lead, or a contact. The system matched the chat to that record automatically by the phone number, so you always know who you're talking to, and their history is one click away. Replying works the way you'd expect. You type in the box at the bottom and send, just like any chat. The one thing that's different here sits right next to the send button, a picker for which of your connected numbers the message goes out from. If your business runs more than one WhatsApp line, you choose the right one before you reply, and the customer sees it come from that number. When you send the same message often, save it once as a template. The green WhatsApp icon in the top bar opens a menu. Click its template shortcut, and the templates page opens. Each template can include merge fields, like the customer's first name, written with $signs. When the message goes out, each field is filled in from the record, so a saved message still reads as personal. Templates really pay off when you message many people at once. From a list of leads, you select the ones you want, open the Actions menu, and choose Send WhatsApp. You pick which number to send from, choose a template, and add a merge field so every message stays personal. The system spaces the messages out and only sends within your allowed hours, so a large send stays safe. And it can also run on its own from an automation. That's a separate lesson. Every message the system sends is recorded in the send log. The same WhatsApp menu in the top bar takes you there. At the top, a running count of what was sent, delivered, read, failed, and still pending. Below, the full list, each recipient, the message, and its status, so you can always see exactly what went out and to whom. From here, we move to your numbers. Click the Numbers tab. Each team member connects their own WhatsApp line, and this page shows everyone at a glance. Maya's line shows a green connected label, so she can chat. Daniel's is set up, but still shows not connected. To connect it, you point to the scan button on his row and click it. The pairing screen opens, and he simply scans the code from his phone. A manager can also add a line for someone or connect it here on their behalf. Behind all of this is the configuration page, where an admin decides who may do what. Open it from the Configuration tab. Each number carries two separate permissions, and it's worth understanding each one. The first is who scans. This is the person whose phone is paired to the number. Only they can connect it by scanning the code, the way Maya connects her own line. The second is who uses. Everyone who is allowed to send messages from this number and to read its conversations. Here you see each team member against their line, Maya, a manager, and Daniel, a sales rep. That split is the point. A rep like Daniel can be given send and read on the business number, while only a manager is trusted to connect a line. Let's watch that permission actually work. Right now, the business number is used only by the admin. This panel is Daniel's own screen, live. His WhatsApp chat page is empty, no conversations to read, and no business number to send from. Now the admin clicks Edit on the business number, adds Daniel under Who Uses, and saves. Back on Daniel's screen, the same page now shows every business conversation, and the business number is ready to send from. One checkbox, and your rep has the shared inbox. The same page also controls how a big send behaves, your sending settings. Two things matter here. First, the hours. Messages only go out during the times you set. Here, from 8 in the morning to 8 in the evening, so no one is messaged in the middle of the night. Second, the pace. Instead of firing everything at once, the system spaces the messages a few seconds apart and sends them in small batches, so a large send stays natural and your number stays safe. And a reminder on the page keeps you sending only to people who agreed to hear from you. One last thing ties it all together. The link works from the record side too. Open a customer's record, here their lead, and you'll spot a green WhatsApp icon on it. Point to it, click, and that person's whole conversation opens right there, without hunting for it in the inbox. From any lead, contact, or account, their chat history is one click away on the card. That's the WhatsApp web chat module end-to-end. Your inbox in the header, the full chat workspace, conversations tied automatically to your records, reusable templates, mass send, a complete send log, your team's numbers with their permissions, and a chat on every record, all inside Dinamic5. That's it for this lesson. See you in the next video.